This is the best Ghana goat meat jollof rice I have ever made. It was absolutely delicious and the owner fell in love with it. Trust me. Let's start with today's activity. I have my oil on fire. I'm just going to add my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, aniseed, and then rosemary. So I have added all those things. I am just going to fry this very well before we proceed. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. Trust me, you will love it here. So please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Yes, so I'll give it a stir and then wait for a while before we continue. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Now we have that perfect outcome we are looking for. So I am just going to add my tomato paste to my ingredients on fire. We are actually going to fry this very well until we see the tomato paste being separated. Okay, when it separates, you can see that your tomato paste is well fried. So I will show you what I actually mean. Okay, and at this moment my kitchen smells very good. Yes, it smells very good. My returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. Okay, I am so grateful for spending some time with me. Have you subscribed to the channel? If you haven't, please do so. I'll be very happy to see your comment in the comment section, and please do well to share this video to others so that our family will expand. Okay, yes, so I will add everything from the tomato can and then give it a stir. With this recipe we are going to prepare larger quantity of the jollof stew, but after that we are going to just take some off, take some out and then use it for our jollof rice. You have to make sure you fry your tomato paste very well so that when you are eating your jollof rice it will not smell in it, or it will not taste funny. Now it has been on fire for some time, and as you can see it looks so perfect and then well fried. So this is what I was trying to tell you. You can see that it has separated, and that means your tomato paste is well fried. I've added my natural herbs and spice blend. I've added my garlic salt, and I have added some curry powder, and I'll just go ahead and give it a stir, wait for a while before we proceed. At this moment, if you want to use only tomato paste, you can go ahead and do so, but we are going to add fresh tomatoes to our tomato paste on fire and make sure we fry this very well. Okay, so I've added my tomato sauce and I'll give it a stir. That is not the only tomato paste I will be using. I mean, the fresh tomatoes, that is not the only fresh tomatoes I'll be using, but I'll be adding it to it bit by bit till I am done adding everything. Okay, so that the stirring will be very easy for me. Yeah, so now I've added the rest, or the second batch to it. I'll give it a stir, fry this very well. It will shock you the result I will get at the end. It will become very small because I am going to fry it very well before we proceed. At this moment, if you want to add any seasoning or salt or anything, salt is also seasoning, so any seasoning that you want to add at this moment or stock, you can go ahead and add, but I am not going to add it to it now. So let's proceed. I have my goat meat here. I seasoned it yesterday with the ingredients we used earlier. Okay, it will be on the screen. So I added that and added some goat meat seasoning as well, and added more natural spice and herbs to it. That's why it looks like that. We will leave it on fire and allow it to fry perfectly. You can see our stew is ready. It has fried very, very well. That is the only stew we got. Okay, now I took some out, added my rice, and then toasted the rice for some few minutes. Now I've added my stock that we got from the goat meat, and I will give it a stir. Because I added some goat meat seasoning to the goat, we are not going to add anything salt to our jollof rice. Give it a stir and then allow it to do its own magic. If you've watched me till this point, I would say a very big thanks to you at this moment. And please, I am just reminding you again, do not forget to subscribe, share the video, leave me your comment, and also please share with me how you prepare your jollof rice in the comment section so that I can also learn from you. So I will give this a stir for some time before I allow it to be on fire. Now I'm going to cover this very well and then use the heat to boil the jollof rice, okay, or cook it. We are not going to add more water to it or liquid. Now we go ahead and then fry our goat meat. With the goat meat, we are not going to fry it very dry, okay? That is not we are going to do in this video. So after some few minutes, I decided to flip it to the other side and then wait for a while before we proceed. And just look at that, it looks so delicious and then perfect. If you want the recipes in Tree language, please follow me at Recipe Goddess on YouTube. For short videos, we are on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and please, you will love it there. So follow us and let's enjoy at that place as well. Now our goat meat is ready. I am just going to remove everything from the oil, and as you can see, the jollof rice at the other side is also doing so well and then perfect. I can't really wait to show you how it looks right now. I am doing the voiceover pieces because the place is noisy, so in case the voice changes, please forgive me, okay? Yes, now we are done removing everything. We will go ahead and then cover our jollof rice. I checked on it, I'll cover it. Now I have my sardine here. I have mashed it very well. I will add that and then the goat meat to the jollof rice behind camera because I don't want the video to be very, very long. It is already long. So this is how it looks now, and so good. Just look at that, absolutely delicious. And this was very easy to prepare, and the owner really fell in love with it. Try this recipe and trust me, you will come here and then testify because it was absolutely nice and delicious. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. So I come your way next time. Always remember that I love you. Please do not forget to eat healthy, take good care of yourself, and please share this video to others. Leave me your comments, subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one. Bye bye.